Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change icon shapes on your OUKITEL C15 Pro. First of all, you need to download and install from Play Store Icon Editor, this application. Then into application, close some ads, and then we can choose some application, for example Minecraft, maybe. Okay, choose for example shape and background color, for example green, and we can change name, mine. Done. After all choosing, we click OK, application generating icon, and then we got our icon on home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.